What you doing?
I'm get snake.
You get the snake? Or is that a lizard?
Wow. That's a big one. I was talking to her.
You were talking to Megan? Go see what she's going shopping for. She looks like she's shopping. Go see. What's she shopping for?
I don't know. Yeah.
Looks like she's shopping because she has that purse on her.
I found a thing around here.
Oh, that's nice.
I found a berry.
Okay. Let me turn this other light on.
Yeah, yes,
You hold it. I'll turn the light on. Hold it up, or hold it up and watch me. Hold it up.
Oh. Wow, Meg!
What you got?
How about you can look and I can hold it.
Alright, you hold it.
What is this for, Mommy?
What is it?
Yellow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna hold it too.
I think Meg can buy a Miss Potato Head. I got Miss Potato Head. Ah, yes, I told you. It's in the nose.
Yeah. What do you have? Go over and see what...
Can you see this?
Oh.
I want to see it in the picture.
Yeah.
They come out. Then bees come out.
Bees come out?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Then it comes out. Then the bee come out. Then the water comes out. Then it comes out here. Comes out and it flies.
The flies? What are you talking about? The birds?
No. Everything. Oh, this is where my map goes. I forgot where my map goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Forgot. Oh, here. In this hole.
Megan, where'd you go today?
I just go nothing. This green.
Where'd you just get back from?
I just go squawk from the store.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't go store.
You going to the store now?
How can I put it in here?
Come in here.
What?
Don't go.
Well, Mommy.
Well, what did you get? What's in your box?
I got, let me see. Let's see what's in there. A fly. Nothing.
Matt, where's your garden?
It's downstairs.
Oh.
In the corner.
What did you plant in the garden? Look at Mommy. What'd you plant in the garden?
I need to put it in the garden.
Okay.
Myself.
Strawberries?
Yeah, I need to get the strawberries too. For Matt.
Okay.
I put in my strawberry seeds.
Uh-huh.
These strawberries, Matt? Oh, I only got strawberries. Here's them for my book. You can go and pick them.
Yeah.
They'll wait now. I don't pick them. They'll wait now. Oh, I need my glass. I got my glasses.
Okay.
Hey, where's my glass go?
Those are good ones.
The tiny head.
They're funny. Put them on. You'll look like Mr. Potato Head.
That's why.
He has a big
Can
nose.
you hold this for Matt? Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
Okay,
You put your glasses on.
I can hold it. Okay. And don't open there, Matt. But how can I see what's in there? Is it one, Matt?
Megan! Look at me. Megan, your glasses are upside down, honey.
But that's funny.
Is it funnier when they're upside down? Put them on the right way, Megan.
I'm right here.
She's so funny. Isn't she funny?
Yeah. Funny.
Let me see her. What are you doing? Megan.
Megan.
Turn them the right way so they don't tickle you.
I tickle
They are tickling you.
Glasses.
Yeah, like this.
You can see and I can hold.
Like that. Yeah, I want to see Megan and her glasses on the right way. Oh, very good. It's very cute. She's silly, your sister.
What about the Band-Aid? No, that's my Band-Aid.
She's wearing her Band-Aid. Look at her. You silly boy. Hey, did you just go on the go-kart?
Yeah. I got on the go-kart. Hey, this is my movie.
Who went the fastest?
Me! Me too, Mom.
Yeah? Who did you ride with?
A Cowan.
Yeah? Who did you ride with?
Grandma.
Grandma.
So the grandma.
So, wait, who won again?
We.
And then where'd you go, Megan?
I go to no question.
No crashes?
The car.
Stop, Matthew. You're making... And what? You didn't crash?
No.
Did you guys go out to dinner afterwards?
Yeah.
What'd you have?
No.
Hey, stop. What'd you have for dinner?
I have pizza and french fries and barbecue sauce.
Pizza and french fries and barbecue sauce?
Uh-huh.
And what'd you have for dessert?
I have ice cream and no sprinkles.
Ice cream with no sprinkles, huh?
No.
How about you, bud?
Glasses for dinner.
That sounded like a good dinner you guys had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had the glasses. I have dinner. Yeah.
Yeah, you had a good dinner?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna put
How about
that.
you, Matt? Can you stop pushing Mommy's camera? What'd you have?
Pizza. I had strawberries today.
You had strawberries today? Silly. She wants to go get them out of your garden.
Huh?
She wants to get them out of your garden.
So what am I going
Your
to
strawberries.
do?
Mhm.
So which now?
They're ripe now?
Cause the rain needs the water.
Right, the rain gave them water.
Yep.
What else do the strawberries need?
More water. Cause they can't die.
Right.
I need them so I can pick them.
Right. They need sun.
Yep, they need sun. Whoa, big. Do a big bush.
Mhm.
I'll pick them all for everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody in my town is this mommy.
Oh, who's on the phone?
This Steve, or that.
Steve for Daddy? You're funny.